Today, the petition which we had filed challenging the Honorable Speaker's order, whereby our petition seeking disqualification of those MLAs who had defected from Indian National Congress and had switched their side to Bharatiya Janata Party. That petition was dismissed by the Honorable Speaker. We had challenged that order, and that petition had come up for hearing before the Honorable High Court today. Now the Honorable High Court has been pleased to issue notices to all the respondents, including the Speaker and those MLAs who were otherwise whose disqualification was sought by the petitioner before the Speaker. Now notices are issued which are returnable on 2nd of April. Matter would be taken up for hearing and admission on 2nd of April.
What are the major grounds to file this appeal?
Substantial grounds which we had raised before the Honorable Speaker were that in terms of the 10th schedule which prohibits such a defection, a twin test which is required, that was not complied with, on that criteria of twin test was not followed or was not fulfilled. That was the ground that we had challenged. It is basically our case that for a merger of a political party, it is necessary that political party shall also give their assent and approval to such merger, which in present case has not happened. It has been only approved, the merger has been approved only by the legislative party, 2/3 members of the legislative party, and not the political party. So that precisely is our challenge here also. We had raised this ground before the Honorable Speaker also. Honorable Speaker have not appreciated these grounds in right perspective, and therefore we are here challenging the Honorable Speaker's order.
When is the next date of hearing?
The next date of hearing would be on 2nd of April.